Think about the last time you bought a graphics card. You probably spent weeks reading reviews, watching benchmarks, and agonizing over whether you should sell a kidney just to play your favorite games at a decent frame rate. For years, the GPU market has felt like a hostile environment for gamers. We've been forced to choose between overpriced cards that hold your wallet hostage, or mid-range options that start lagging the moment a new game engine drops. But silently behind the scenes, a massive shift has just occurred. The tech world is in absolute chaos right now, and it is all because of a single piece of silicon that is completely rewriting the rules of price to performance. This is the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. It is not just another yearly refresh, and it isn't just another incremental boost to make investors happy. This is a targeted strike aimed directly at NVIDIA's absolute dominance in the high-end market. By the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly how this graphics card is forcing a massive price war, why its architectural secrets have traditional hardware makers panicking, and the one critical catch AMD is praying you will ignore before you hit that buy button. To understand why the RX 9070 XT is causing such a massive uproar, we have to look at the lie we've all been forced to believe for the last several years. The industry tried to convince us that if you wanted real, high-end ray tracing, next-generation AI upscaling, and buttery smooth 4K performance, you had to spend at least $800 to $1,000. If you bought anything cheaper, you were treated like a second-class citizen, forced to turn down your settings, deal with blurry upscaling artifacts, and watch your frame rates tank the second you enabled ray tracing. AMD's previous generation, while offering great raw rasterization performance, still lagged behind in the features that modern gamers actually care about. When you turned on ray tracing on an older Radeon card, it felt like throwing an anchor out of a speeding car. But with the launch of the RX 9000 series, built on the highly anticipated RDNA 4 architecture, AMD decided they were done playing second fiddle. They didn't just build a slightly faster graphics card, they completely re-engineered their entire silicon strategy. And the RX 9070 XT is the absolute flagship of this new philosophy. Let's start with the physical silicon itself, because the raw specs of this card are absolutely staggering. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 4nm process, the RX 9070 XT packs an incredible 40,096 shading units and 64 compute units into a highly optimized monolithic die. This card is operating at a jaw-dropping game clock of 2400 MHz, with boost frequencies that push all the way up to an insane 2970 MHz. When you realize that this GPU is pushing nearly 3 GHz right out of the box, you begin to understand the level of raw, unadulterated power we are dealing with. But raw clock speeds don't mean anything if the GPU is starved for memory. We've seen other manufacturers release cards with cutting-edge chips, only to choke them with a narrow memory bus or a pathetic 8 or 12 GB of VRAM. AMD did not make that mistake here. The RX 9070 XT comes fully loaded with 16 GB of ultra-fast GDDR6 memory, running on a massive 256-bit memory interface. That gives you a total memory bandwidth of up to 640 GB per second. Combined with 64 MB of AMD's next-generation Infinity Cache,